What up, YouTube? Back in the shop. Finally about to get back to this Roadglide to get some work done. If you want to enter to win this joint, go in the description below and grab you a black KICKSBYDRE cap, trucker cap like this, not the sliding. Only the KICKSBYDRE one is available for you to enter for this bike. One hat is one entry. That's going to be on entry for the bike. Right now, we are literally more than halfway sold out. So I'm trying to get all the parts, get everything on this joint fully completed so we could go ahead and go live with this bike hopefully in about a week or so. So stay tuned for that. We got all the parts coming in the mail. Today I'm gonna finish assembling everything so we can get this thing on the road and have this thing out, one and done, man. So stay tuned, y'all. We sliding. Y'all see what's going on, man. We got everything coming along, everything getting bolted up, getting this thing nice and finished. We're about to go ahead, after we put this outer fairing on, we're gonna swap out these lower legs with this wheel and put the black cans on. So we got our full blackout. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pop off the rest of these chrome parts like the floorboards, kickstand. I have new floorboards coming, so I might just wait now, think about that. But besides that, we're about to get this thing on the road, man. So stay tuned. If you want to enter the winner's joint, like I said, go in the description below, man. So stay tuned for that. I got the CVO at the crib. I got a riding video for y'all for that. I just went on yesterday. I had to get my last ride in before we ship this joint out along with the CVO at the same time. So stay tuned, man. We working, we getting it in. Y'all see what's going on. We got that new wet black outer fairing with the top lid. We're about to go ahead and assemble. So stay tuned, man. We sliding. Also, you can go on the website right now and get you some sliding shirts. I finally got everything on hand. It's been a while. These manufacturers and this COVID stuff had everything just super backed up, taking forever. But like I be trying to tell y'all, it's out of my hands. I'm doing the best that I can for everything that's actually in my hands. So stay tuned for that. We got the shirts available on the website right now. And man, you can go on the same website in the link below, builtbydre.bigcartel.com, and get you a sliding shirt along with the KICKSBYDRE cap. I got my KICKSBYDRE shirts on the way. So stay tuned for that, man. I got another big surprise. I should be having about a week or so for some merch on my website. So stay tuned for that. Everything is about to come out just like I wanted to, but we working. Yes, sir. We finally got that thing bolted up with the new front fairing. Let me get some light. Got that thing looking good. I gotta get this one bolt. This thing is playing games with me. See the threads. But y'all can see, thing is looking nice and clean with that fresh black. Changed the whole front end. And that's why I had to get this thing on the road. So the only thing I'm still waiting on is a pocket with both of these covers. But let me get some light for y'all because it's kind of dark in here. Y'all know I don't got no power. But I want y'all to see how wet this inner fairing is, man. We're gonna give it a good wash. Fingerprints dirty, but this thing is definitely clean and mean, y'all. Yes, sir. About to go ahead and swap these legs and that wheel out. So let's get back to it, man. We got this thing coming along. Like I said, this can be you, man. You got to enter to win this joint, man. Now see what's going on. Thing blacked out. About to look nice and clean. what you said one more time for me again?
I sent them out to chrome plating. They should be finished in about a week and a half.
And that's the 21 and the 18 for the CVO, right?
Yes,
Oh, okay. So you said like another week and a half?
Yep, about a week and a half,
Oh, okay, for sure. All right, thank you. I just wanted to get an update and see what was going on. So I went by the chrome shop. I done called. I did everything I could. This dude was not there, wasn't answering. So I'm about to try to give him a call so y'all can understand what I'm going through. So that says it right there. Y'all see what's going on. I'm not the one sitting here playing games and all of that. The wheel's still not done. I literally put in that order almost 3-4 weeks ago. So it's unbelievable how this stuff go, but it's crazy, man. So it was a lesson learned, though, because it holds everything up. And then on top of that, that's literally one of the last few pieces I'm waiting on for that CVO so I can get it shipped out. But as soon as that is done and over with, you already know that bike is getting shipped straight to Texas. So that's the whole hold up with that right there. And like I said, I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the wheels for this Roadglide because I really don't want to wait that long. I know for sure this giveaway should be over way before the next 3 to 4 weeks. So I don't want to put in an order for these wheels and be holding on to the bike like I'm holding on to the CVO right now just because of that exact situation right there. So it's like, that's the whole thing about this stuff. When people win these bikes, I want to make it convenient. Like the Ohio bike, that bike is done. I can ship that out, but I'm trying to get everything in line. I have to do Texas first because he was waiting before Ohio. Now Ohio is up next. So I'm going to take him that bike. Then we're going to Texas, take the CVO after we get those rims. So once that's done and both these delivered, then whoever wins the 2019 Roadglide is going to get this bike. But I tried doing an order for everybody waiting, having patience with your boy. And then on top of that, it's like, it's the little small things like that hold me up. So I'm doing what I can, the best that I can. So please bear with your boy, man, because some of this stuff is really out of my hands. I have to just do that to show y'all right there. It's out of my control. So it's like, that's what that's about, man. So stay tuned. We're about to try to get back to this work and get this work in, man, because we working and we sliding. Y'all see what's going on. So we got it all buzzed down, took apart. About to go ahead and take off these legs, drop them, and then we got the new black lowers we're gonna install on these legs with the black pins. So this was the main thing that was kind of irritating me, but I had to do what I had to do when I first got the bike to get it running and rolling. So now we got that all good to go. We got the black legs right there, and then we got the black hands. So we're gonna put them on, then we're gonna put our grips on. This thing is literally blacked out everywhere. So stay tuned, man. We're about to make it better and better. Y'all see what's going on. About to have this thing juiced up, looking good, dog. Like I said, this can be you, man, but you got to enter to win, dog. You could be on that 2019. Y'all know summer is here, man. Who don't want to be on a Roadglide blacked out looking good? I tried to offer my assistance to bust it down to the frame and powder coat it up, but y'all want the blackout special, so that's what y'all getting. The blackout special, man. It's going to be the Night Rider. But y'all got it, man. This can be you. So, about to go to class real fast. I didn't even move. We still got the legs over there. We got to pop these off. So, I'm going to show y'all the 1-2 on these real fast. These are nice and chrome. I think I may just hold on to these for the next build. But we got that huge Allen in there. This one got a lot more space, kind of. No, it's probably the same. We got another one up in there. Like I said before, this is my special gadget right here. I got to pop this big nut off. This is exactly what I'm about to take out. But I use this 7/16 6-point, this tool. It drops right in there. But first, we gotta get rid of this, get this up off of here. But yeah, man, we about to go ahead and swap out the lowers on that joint so we can put the blacked out ones right here, man. So stay tuned, that's what we about to do, y'all. All right, so now we got that off of there. That's how it looks. Just like that. About to go ahead and pop these off, pop these seals out, and get to it. So we literally just removed the legs off the bike and took the lowers off. This is what we are left with. Those are the chrome ones we just took off. Now we got to install these black ones. So let's go grab those and get these going so we can get these things up on the bike, running and going, y'all. Other towel done got greased up by everything. Gotta definitely bolt these on first because I will forget. I've done it before. Fresh black powder coat. Yes, sir. In the game, y'all. Just like that, from chrome to black. We had the stock ones, which I know them came crash along with that crash leg that we went and took off. So that stuff is all trash. So I got to go to Harley to get the bolts for the cans. But we still gonna slide them on. They're just gonna be like sliding and not even sliding. They're gonna be sitting down until we bolt them up. But it's all good. We're gonna get it going. Sir, we got the legs finally on there, bolted up. We're about to put the fluid in it from the top. You got to take the bolts back out, but I have to put them in there to keep it aligned so I can put the seal at the top above up there. So we got both the seals in there, got the chrome ones off, got the black cans we're about to install. We're gonna just put the fluid, bolt it back up, and then we're gonna put it on. I got me a vacuum hose. That was a perfect size for this one. If you're doing a smaller legs, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, I have to get a whole different type of hose, cut it in half, and basically wrap it around there, tape it up to get the exact fitment size because you want it to be perfect. If you don't put that seal in there all the way to the bottom, it's definitely gonna pop back out as soon as you get the ride, and you're gonna have fluid everywhere all over the bike. So I hate it. I've been through it before, so I figured out how to get it right the first time. So that's what we on, that's what we doing. But we're about to finish assembling so we can get the front end back complete. Got that blackout look coming out nice. Y'all see the black legs, black hands. It's looking good, man. Iced Up Records. About to get it going though. Stay tuned. Yes, sir, y'all. We finally got it going, man. Thing looking iced up. 11 to black. Change everything up. New outer fairing, new inner fairing. Got the black legs with the cans. Juiced up, man. I'm loving it. Can't wait till we get everything else, but y'all see what's going on, man. We looking good for sure. See what's going on, man. We done got it going. I'm gonna wrap this video up right now, so I don't want to have it too long. But on the next one, we're about to buzz down the bags to the paint, take that front fender, have this thing on the way. Then we're gonna install the new mirrors and grips, man. But enter the winner's joints, y'all. This can be you, blacked out, everything coming nice and clean. You already know we got new floorboards, front and back and whatnot, and a few more accessories. But this can be you, man. For real, you can own this joint. 2019 Roadglide special 10,000 miles, y'all. But y'all see it, man. We working. Catch y'all on the next one.